Welcome to Nita Ambani Cultural Center. We've completed 2 incredible years here, and I'd made a promise when we inaugurated NMACC that we will get the best of India to the world and the best of the world to India. And today we have the most iconic, the Phantom of the Opera, right here in India at our own cultural center. It cannot get bigger and better than this. Also, I think in September of this year, we are taking the NMACC Cultural Weekend to New York at the Lincoln Center. So, thank you so much for always coming here, all of you all, and supporting the Cultural Center. So, namaskar and dhanyavad to all of you all.